Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, find calendar and click on it. Now pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and click on the screen icon at the bottom right corner. Over here you can customize your event however you want to. You can add a title, change color, set up starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature completely by clicking on all day. You can also pick a location, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, go back, take notes, and even pick people from your contact book. When you're done, click save at the bottom right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to delete it, click on it, then tap on this event over here and choose delete at the bottom right corner. In order to confirm your choice, tap on delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!